Basic operation specification for elevator maintenance. Now we introduce the basic operation procedure of elevator maintenance. As the elevator belongs to the special equipment, it has certain danger. All elevator maintenance personnel shall be fully informed of relevant safety operation procedures before corresponding maintenance operations can be carried out. Brief introduction of basic operation procedures of elevator maintenance. According to the manufacturing and installation elevator safety norms GB 7588-2003, Maintenance and Management Rules on the Use of the Elevator TSG T5001-2009, National Standard Technical Specifications related to, we need to pay attention to the following specification requirements in the elevator maintenance operations before. Before work, wear labor protection means work clothes, safety helmet, safety rope, and insulation shoes. Warning signs or insulation belts should be placed in the carriage of warning entrance. Leave the relevant personnel out of the car or other maintenance work area. Close the door and prevent the entrance of the door with a guardrail in relevant personnel from entering the elevator. Power supply should be cut off, or appropriate safety measures should be taken when repairing electrical equipment. When making maintenance work on the top of the car, it is necessary to press the emergency stop button to close the door. Carry out regular inspection of the insulation tools and electric hand tools. Conduct preventive tests on a regular basis and do not have enough insulation strands. The tools for insulation cracking, pelling, and damage should be replaced in time. The correct way to wear a helmet. Safety helmet properly worn. And then we're going to do a couple of basic operations. This is the correct way to wear a helmet. Put your hands on the safety helmet. Then tighten and safety cap back to the appropriate position. The correct way to wear safety rope. The correct way to wear a safety rope is to pass the safety rope around the shoulder. The belt will be tightened around the shoulder belt, and the safety rope will be wrapped around the shoulder. Display of warning signs. Before the maintenance of the elevator needs to put warning signs are placed at the entrance. The placement of the insulation belt. In addition to placing the warning signs at the entrance, sometimes we need to pull up the barrier. Summary. The most important operation of the elevator maintenance and the whole maintenance course is basic standard and safety operation. Since the following operations require basic operations,